To set up a hotspot on a Google Pixel phone, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then we can navigate to network and internet, and inside we can find hotspot and tethering. Then we can enable our Wi-Fi hotspot, and to access a settings we can click on the Wi-Fi hotspot like this. Now you can change a name for your hotspot, change the security protocol, and if you don't want any password on your hotspot, then be sure to click on none right here. If you want password, you can choose between 3 different options. I'm gonna go with WPA3. Now when we go back, we can set the password right here. Also, you can preview the password in case you forgot it, and I'm gonna stick with the password that is currently set. Then we can turn off our hotspot automatically when there's no devices connected. I sadly don't know the time on how long it will take, but it should eventually power off when there are no devices connected. Then we can adjust speed and compatibility modes. So right here we have 2.4G, 5G and 6G network, and make sure that a device that will connect with your Google Pixel hotspot has support for one of them. So for example, if you want to connect device with 2.4G, then I recommend to go for this one. If you plan on connecting 5G device, then you can go for 5G and 2.4G. And finally, if you plan on going with 6G, then you need device that supports 6G, and it can also connect to 5G and 2.4G network. Now when we go down, there's also instant hotspot and set up cross-device service. Other devices signed in your Google account can find this device and share things like video calls, and that is honestly, I don't know what it has to do with hotspot, so I'm just gonna skip it, but you can set it up if you like. And that would be everything about a hotspot and how to set it up.